From the golden memories of Usain Bolt's lightning speed to the thrilling prospect of Jamaica reclaiming their 4x100-meter relay crown at the Paris Olympics, this video dives deep into the legacy, challenges, and hopes of Jamaica's sprint kings. Stay tuned to find out which quartet might bring home the gold. In this video, we explore the exhilarating journey of Jamaica's men's 4x100 meters relay team, from their historic silver at the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics to the heart-wrenching loss of their 2008 gold and their relentless pursuit for victory at the upcoming Paris Olympics. We'll uncover every twist and turn. We'll highlight key athletes like Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, and the rising stars poised to take the baton. Join us as we delve into the strategies, rivalries, and potential lineups that could lead Jamaica to Olympic glory once again. Don't miss out. This is the ultimate guide to Jamaica's quest for relay gold. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive insights on your favorite athletes. Relays often allow athletes to pool together their talents and expertise to become one in order to win gold and to take pride in their countries, especially during major championships like the Olympics. The 4x100 meters relay is the most technical of all relays because the baton is passed so swiftly between athletes, which urges them to be vigilant in order to ensure they finish on the medal stand. In the case of Jamaica, the island is known for having some of the most successful teams in the event at both the World Championship and Olympic level. It was at the 1984 Los Angeles Olympics that the island earned its first medal in the event, a silver with the quartet of Albert Lawrence, Donald Quarry, Raymond Stewart, and Norman Edwards, who ran in the preliminary rounds. Jamaica was consistent in the event at the major championship after that experience, including bronze at the 1987 Rome World Championship and silver at the 2007 Osaka World Championship. Jamaican athletes longed to win global gold in the men's 4x100 meters relay, and the 2008 Beijing World Championship seemed like the perfect moment for that medal. With world record holder in the 100 meters and 200 meters Usain Bolt, former 100 meters world record holder Asafa Powell, World Championship 100 meters silver medalist Michael Frater, and the very consistent Nesta Carter, the team had almost perfect baton exchanges which led them to win gold and ran a then world record of 37.10 seconds. It was revealed years later that Nesta Carter had been tested positive for performance-enhancing drugs. This meant that the gold medal and the world record would be taken away from Jamaica. However, Jamaica had won gold in the event at both the 2012 London Olympics and the 2016 Rio Olympics. But since the 2016 Rio Olympics, the Jamaican men have been wanting to reach the top of the podium at major championships again. At the 2023 Budapest World Championship, the team of Raheem Ford, Rowan Watson, Hakeem Blake, and Oblique Seville ran 37.76 seconds to take bronze in the event. This season, the land of wood and water looks stronger as the men are a lot faster. They would like to show the world that they indeed can win gold at the Paris Olympics. With athletes such as Kishane Thompson, Oblique Seville, Hakeem Blake, Brian Level, and Andrew Hudson, the team would have to decide on the best lineup for them to win gold. Their biggest challenges will come in the form of Italy and the United States, who are capable of winning gold. But can the Jamaican men win gold in the 4x100 meters relay at the Paris Olympics? We want to hear from you. Do you think Jamaica's men's 4x100 meters relay team can reclaim their gold at the Paris Olympics? Which athletes do you believe should make up the winning quartet? Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Your insights might just spark the next big conversation in the world of athletics. Remember to share this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes at the 2024 Paris Olympics. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.